What up, YouTube? Good morning. It's your boy Bryan, and I'm out here with Winning Edge Carwash. You know what time it is. It's time for us to get into a dirty vehicle and snap it back to reality. So I'm gonna take y'all around this dirty Jeep, show you what's wrong with it, and we're gonna go from there and show you what it look like afterwards. So check it. We got bugs on the front, really dusty. I'm not gonna show you how dusty. I don't want to put any scratches on it, but y'all can see what it look like now. These wheels, they really need some help. And yo, let's check out the inside. It is dirty. Y'all can see the mats. We got to get all that dirt up, get these panels wiped down, looking good. Cup holder, it has a shrink in it at the moment, but y'all can see what it's looking like before we get started. The dash, y'all can see dusty. All right, let's take it to the back. My guy's already on the job making it happen. Check it. Yeah, man. So we got wheels also in the back need to get done. We're gonna make sure all these particles and stuff is gone. Get all this stuff wiped down. Get this wiped down. Get that back wheel looking good. Look at these hard-working individuals. Y'all can see this side as well. They already took the mat out, so that's the bottom of the floor. Y'all can see this side right here. So, hey man, listen, y'all check this out. Y'all know what time it is. We put that magic touch on it. We're gonna definitely do that right this second. Alright guys, y'all can see we making progress on the Jeep. Got my main man Joe in here doing what he do best. Get it right.
Hey, mention my name in the comments.
Yeah. We trying to make it happen. Got my boy Mikhail all hopped up on Mountain Dew. Back here doing what it do. Everything looking good, man. So get that going. Y'all can see these boys over here kicking the equipment around to get it done. Yeah, but got it all sold. In the process of washing it, making it happen. Got Joe over here caking with somebody.
Man, listen, first of all, don't put my business out there and be like that. Y'all want it. Mention my name in the comments.
Well, hey, where you know you can go work at and cake at the same time?
I got something to say to you.
What's up? What up, YouTube? I'm back. You know, I'm out here in these streets, walking around, introducing Winning Edge Carwash to everybody. That's why I'm sweating. And yeah, the Jeep is done. These boys did an awesome, great job. Yeah, I be kind of jealous sometimes because I don't get to participate in the fun. Joe thinking he doing something, but he really not.
I'm always doing something.
Yeah, but we gonna take y'all around the Jeep, let y'all see how sparkling it is, because at the end of the day, this is why they call us. This is why we #1 on Google. You know what I'm saying? So, this is Winning Edge Carwash. Man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification button so y'all can check out all the videos and you know, like it, share with your buddies. We out here, man. I'm gonna show y'all what the inside looking like. Yes, pristine, on point, the way it should be. Carpet's done, seats clean, everything wiped down. Cup holders on point. Looking good back here in the back. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and close this door the right way. This guy looking good. Oh, yo, let me go ahead and open this. Mikhail got to put the items back in anyway.
We got some more items left.
All right, it's probably going to shut it. I see. Looking good, looking good. All right, y'all. Hey, man. Y'all see what it's looking like. We did a great, awesome job on this. About to get it back to the customer and keep it moving. Y'all check us out. WinningEdgeCarwash.com.